Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn the third row of Hiragana letters sa, shi, su, se, so. The first letter is sa. Pronounce sa. Example word sakana. Sakana means fish. Example sentence sakana ga oyoide imasu. Sakana ga oyoide imasu meaning the fish is swimming. Next letter is shi. Shi. Example word shiro. Shiro means white. Example sentence shiro no fuku ga suki desu. Shiro no fuku ga suki desu meaning I like white cloths. Next letter su. Su. Example word suika. Suika means watermelon. Watermelon. Example sentence natsu ni suika o tabemasu. Natsu ni suika o tabemasu. I eat watermelon in summer. Natsu ni suika o tabemasu. Next se. Pronounce se. Example word sensei. Sensei means teacher. Teacher. Example sentence sensei wa yasashi desu. Sensei wa yasashi desu. The teacher is kind. Sensei wa yasashi desu. Next one so. So. Example word sora. Sora means sky. Sky. Example sentence sora ga awoi desu. Sora ga awoi desu meaning the sky is blue. Sora ga awoi desu. In the next lesson, we'll learn the fourth Hiragana row tha, chi, tsu, te, to. Mata ne.